And a very good morning to you and welcome to Wonderworld. Here is my my diet for the shocking revelation that I couldn't put my pants on yesterday and they didn't fit. So it's low carb time, low carbs and fasting, 1 meal a day. So this is what I've got here. This is fish. And I use this knife to point it. This is fish here. And black pepper, rock salt, which is like here. I got peppers. There's a peppers here, like that. Green peppers, onions, garlic. That's garlic and oil. And here's chili and oil. That's sprinkled on there. And I'll add this cheese here. This cheese here. You can just about see it here. I will sprinkle that on top of there and put that in the microwave and zap it, and I'll have my radioactive dinner. It's totally low carbs. On the pan, on the cooker there, I've got some cauliflower and broad beans and with a cabbage, which will be like mashed potato. I'll mash it up and puree it, and I'll eat that with that. I wouldn't show you that, but I'll take a picture of it and I'll show it to you later. Okay, yeah, I want to thank you for coming along. Don't forget to like and subscribe and try this recipe out. It's quite good. Thank you.